A successful farm requires more than sunshine and rain. You need a whole lot of financial savvy to turn a profit. Making Mooo-lah is a farm simulation game designed for children between 5 and 12 years old. The game is ideally suitable for groups of 2 to 6 players. In the game box, you will find laminated instructions, a facilitator script, 4 season tracker mats, a dry erase board and markers, 1 large die, 26 purchase cards, 20 event cards, and 8 farm mats that can be assembled to create a large circuit. The objective of Making Mooo-lah is for players to navigate through a year or 4 farming seasons while generating profits for the farm and avoiding bankruptcy. Participants begin with $200 and progress through the seasons, making purchases, responding to unexpected events, and earning and paying funds kept in their accounts. The players work together, taking turns rolling the die and advancing across the game board. Upon completion, the team will receive a score based on their account balance. Since this game has a number of pieces, let me demonstrate how to set it up. First, lay out the farm mats in a circuit. You can use 6 or 8 tiles depending on the size of your playing space. Then arrange the 4 season tracker mats in a row inside the circuit. This is where you will track how many purchase cards and event cards have been collected. Gather the 26 purchase cards and place them in the center of the circuit, above and below the season tracker mats. Shuffle the event cards and place them face down in the deck, somewhere easily accessible to the players. And finally, add the starting amount of $200 to the whiteboard. This serves as a ledger where you will track the farm's income and expenses throughout the game. When you are ready to begin playing, the team starts by purchasing an item from the store. The players then take turns rolling the die, moving the appropriate number of spaces, and interacting with the space. Along the way, they will make purchases, sell crops at the farmer's market, pay taxes, and respond to unexpected events. See the instructions for full details. Post-game debriefing and reflection instructions are included in the instructions. This is an important part of the learning experience for players.